Iftar can be a battle of overindulgence versus self-control. Remember, you do not need to compensate for all your missed meals at Iftar. Eating a ton of food will only lead to feeling overstuffed, indigestion, fatigue, and acid reflux. So here's some quick Iftar tips. Split your plate in half, fill half of it with veggies, and fit any other favorite foods in the remaining half for easy portion control. Aim for a colorful plate with a variety of food groups. When cooking, try to bake instead of fry and minimize oil. Fluid-filled foods like fruits and soups are great for hydration and digestion. High fiber foods will keep you feeling full longer at Taraweh, so don't skip those veggies and opt for whole grains like brown breads, brown rice, couscous, quinoa, brown pasta, and lentils like dal or halim. Punch up the protein with eggs and lean chicken and fish, but also non-animal sources like beans and chickpeas and tofu and cottage cheese. Every family has their own wonderful Iftar food traditions. Follow these tips to have your favorite foods at Iftar while enjoying high energy. Want more delicious Iftar recipes and tips? Click right here to check out my popular Ramadan Reset Guidebook for my full meal plan. You get 30 days of delicious Iftar and Suhoor recipes, digestive soups, energizing smoothies, and so much more that you can enjoy this Ramadan and beyond, inshallah. Click here to watch another healthy Ramadan tip and hit the subscribe button so you can tune in tomorrow for my next Ramadan Reset quick tip. Stay blessed and stay fit. Salam.